What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make $200 per day by writing using this one simple and free hack. So before I get into this one simple and free hack that I'm going to show you, it's very simple and I use it all the time. I absolutely love it and it works extremely well. You can make well more than $200 per day using this alone, okay? So first thing I want to show you right here. Now, I'm going to give you 3 different sites that I like to recommend to people, and this is where I go to find different people to write for myself, for my different businesses. So, one is ProBlogger.com. You can see it right here. They have a bunch of different stuff, okay? Bunch of different things. So, if you are a writer, a freelance writer, whatever you want to call yourself, if you like to write, go to ProBlogger.com and click on jobs. There's a lot of stuff here. The next one is called TexBroker.com. This is only for people inside the United States, I believe, okay? Or inside the US and Canada. So if you're outside the US and Canada, it's probably not going to work for you. If you're inside the US or Canada, you can make some great money on this, okay? So one thing I want to show you is, let's see, where is it at? The payments. So one thing you need to understand is that you get paid based on your quality of writing. So if you're just a decent writer, you get paid 0.7 cents per word. If you're an okay writer, you're a good writer, you'll get paid a penny per word. If you're better than just okay, you'll get paid 1.4 cents per word. And if you're just an elite writer, you'll get paid 5 cents per word, okay? And I'm going to pull up the calculator in a minute. We're going to break this down exactly how much you can make based on what you charge per word. The next one is called Eyewriter.com. You can see it right here. Eyewriter.com. All you got to do, click on Write Content, fill out all this information, and they're going to get back to you, and they're going to have you submit a sample so that they know, okay, how good of a writer are you? Are you going to be, you can kind of see it right here, or right here in pricing, kind of see right here, if they're getting standard work, you can pay $1.40 for a 150 word article. But this is what people pay. This isn't what you earn, okay? You'll earn a little bit less than this for every article that you write. So here's what I want to show you, okay? Now, this is the hack. This is the thing that will save me a bunch of time, saves me a lot of money, and this can make you a lot of money, okay? So if you've never gone to Google Docs, okay, go to Google. You probably have a Google account, right? Go to Google and go to their doc, okay, their document. Once you're there, click on Tools, and you're going to click on Voice Typing, okay? So that's what this is right here. When I click on it, it's going to start using whatever I say. That's my voice, okay? And so it's going to type it all in here, okay? Let me time myself. Let me pull up my phone really quick. I'm going to time myself for 15 seconds. Screw it. Doesn't matter. I don't need to time myself. So I'm just going to start talking, and you're going to see exactly how it works, okay? So, do you really want to make money online? Question mark. I too was in your shoes many years ago, and now I'm officially making great money online! Exclamation point. The best part about making money online is I can work anytime I want to, from anywhere in the world, and work for nobody but myself. Period. If you want this exact same lifestyle, if you want to make money online, if you want to become an entrepreneur, you can, and you can do it right now. Period. The best part of becoming a freelance writer and making $200 or more per day is that you can finally live the lifestyle that you really want to live, that you truly deserve, and you think you really want. Period. So, I have no clue what I was really talking about there, but what you need to understand is I probably spent about, 20, 30 seconds. I have no clue. And let's just see how many words were, so 121 words. So 121 words in, what was that? Let's say 30 seconds, okay? So if I was charging 2 cents per word, 121 times 2 cents, so in 30 seconds, let's say 30 seconds, I just got paid $2.42 to write this. This was just kind of, spitballing off the top of my head. So just think, if I had, a piece of paper, and actually had a layout, okay, I'm going to do this, this, and this, and this. If I had that, I could easily make more money, and I could talk faster. I could be more efficient. Okay, my ideas would come out more clear, and so it would be a lot easier to make money doing this exact thing. You know, anybody that I show this little hack or this little simple little tool to, so many people struggle to believe that's actually real. A lot of people think I'm making this up. I'm not. I'm serious. Go to Google, okay? You probably have a Google account, right? Go to Google, click on the little, there's like 9 little dots in the far right-hand section of the page. Click on that. Scroll down to Docs. Click on that. That's going to open the page that you just saw. Go up to Tools, click on Voice Typing, and then there you can actually do speech to text, okay? Right here. I'm using this right here, okay? This right here, you can see this is the Blue Yeti. They're under $100 over on Amazon. I think they're right over $50, I believe. But I know they're under 100. Okay, I don't know exact amount, but these right here, and then I have this little wind sock, whatever it is, just so the sound doesn't come out too muffled. If there's any wind, if I spit on the microphone, it wouldn't pick it up. Okay. So you can pick. I'll put a link to this exact same one with this little, you know, whatever it is, wind sock, whatever, dead cat, whatever you want to call it. I'll put a link to both these things down in the description box below. But seriously, this is how easy it is to make $200 or more per day. Now, let me pull up the calculator and I'm going to show you exactly what you can do, how much you need to actually write or say per hour to make $200 or more per day. So I just showed you I could do 121 words in about 30 seconds. So that means I can do about 250 words in a minute. Now, could I type that fast? No. I can do about 110, 115 words per minute typing. But, you know, actually speaking it, who knows? You know, who knows exactly how much I can do. So, let's see. $200 per day. Okay? Let's say you charge 2 cents per word. Or actually, we're going to say you charge 2 or 3 cents per word. That means you need to write, let's say, 6,500 words per day, okay? 6,500 words, and you're going to write for, let's say, 6 hours, okay? Actually, let's do it this way. 6,600, and you're going to write for 6 hours, okay? So you need to write, you need to type or speak 1,100 words per hour. Now, if you break that down again into minutes, that means you need to write 18 words per minute, okay, over the course of an hour to reach your 1,100 word goal, okay? And you're gonna do this for 5 hours. Now, like I said, if you can do, let's say you can do 80 words per minute, okay? So that divided by 80 words, or 80 words per minute, that means you're gonna be doing this for about 82 minutes. Okay, not bad. So about an hour and a half, you can make $200 per day. Now, the key here, and the thing that I think most people overlook, is that it's so easy to do this part. The hard part is bidding on the jobs. Okay, and I'm not gonna sugarcoat this and say, oh, it's so easy. You can bid on a job and you can get it right away. No, that's not necessarily true. These ones right here, yes. You go and you get something that's in an open order. You go and say you want to do it, okay? You claim that article, you write it, you submit it, then you move on, next one, the next one, the next one. Eyewriter, pretty much kind of the same thing, okay? ProBlogger and, you know, things like, you know, Upwork, they're completely different, or freelancer.com, or go to a forum or whatever. And you can start to see that you might only make $50 in the first week. You might only make, you know, $10 in the first day, but you're going to slowly and gradually go up. And that's the key to being successful as a freelance writer. So the last thing I just want to say is becoming a freelance writer and a full-time freelance writer, someone that's making, you know, $200 a day, you know, $6,000 a month, that's pretty good. Okay, that's good money. Okay, I'm not saying $6,000 is nothing. I'm not saying $6,000 is going to change the world. But I guarantee you, $6,000, if you are currently making, you know, $1,000 or $2,000 or even $3,000, $6,000 a month is going to be life-changing. Okay, you'll be able to buy a new car. Okay, buy a better house, bigger house, pay off debt, save money, travel the world, do things that you never thought were possible, simply because you figure out a way to use your skills, your talents, and your experience and go after something that you know you can do. And that's freelance writing, okay? So hit that thumbs up button if you learned anything in today's video. Also, click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. I talk about so many things, so many different ways to make money online. I've been doing this for about 12 years, okay? I've been making money online since 2006. So I do understand that there's a lot of ways to make money. I do understand there's a lot of good ways, a lot of bad ways, and a lot of things that you shouldn't be doing. So make sure you check out more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.